Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor, and we are reporting live with Sunber Hair.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
So I'm in a new role, okay, at work, at a new job, and I've never met these people before. I'm going to a dinner meeting. It's my first one in what feels like forever. I've been remote forever. So I need something that I can throw up on my head. I need it to be easy, breezy, beautiful Sunber Hair. Sunber Hair so graciously provided us with this unit. She is a 24-inch body wave. Look how sexy she is already. Fresh out the pack. Body wave unit. I want you guys to see the lace, which is why I'm going to keep the white underneath. Take a look at that. She is pre-plucked, okay, and ready to go. She is a 6x4 unit. 6x4 just basically means she comes a little bit extra, okay? She has 2 combs on the sides. Look how beautiful that lace closure is. Nice and big. I love this because then you get the opportunity. You can wear it to the left or the right, or you can put her in the middle. It comes with a great adjustable band. We love these. They want to make sure that these units are secure, okay, because they are wear and go. They're beginner friendly, but the point is to kind of relieve some anxiety from the person putting them on, right? And then one in the back, no adjustable straps, but it does have the latex grip at the bottom. Wakanda forever. I want you guys to know that I put these nails on by myself. They are Gel X. I did not want to believe that these were as good as they are, but they are that good. That's my commercial. And I'm going to leave it below, okay? So, I don't have much time. Let's go on in and see what we were provided. We got a lace cap. We have our Sunber lace layer. We don't need that though because they said this is 100% glueless and we are going to believe them. And then we have our other goodies. Okay, the cap, the lace layer, a makeup brush, and lashes. This unit at 24 inches for the 6x4 pre-cut lace, which I think makes a difference, is going for, don't judge me, I just want to show you guys what this is looking like right quick. It's going for $259. First of all, she's super snug already. Okay. I really wanted to just get an idea of what the lace was looking like, actually. Ooh. See, but here, look, I can still, on the camera, are you guys picking that up? She looks good. I keep moving around because I'm like, is it me? Oh, yeah, you see that? Little whiteness up here, so I can see where, okay, that's what I was looking for. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on a cap, start getting her together, and I'm going to see you guys on the other side. Did I miss anything? I don't know. I'm excited. I love wearing wigs. That's all I miss. I'm going to see you on the other side.
All right, my loves, let's dig on into this unit. First of all, she's stunning. First of all, I could have left her just the way she was, and maybe next time I will. I think this unit is really, really beautiful, and the texture of this hair is stunning as well. So I'm using my Andy straightener and comb to flatten this unit on out, and I'm going to go on through with my Conair wig brush that I am obsessed with. This is just some House Labs foundation. Obsessed with House Labs right now. This is just the liquid foundation that I'm going to use to get this part all the way together because we want a very seamless install. Look at this hair though, y'all. Look at this hair. It's absolutely beautiful. To the touch is beautiful. It's silky. It's sexy. It really is everything. So this is a 24-inch 6x4.75 pre-cut lace closure wig. Okay, she is really, really beautiful. You don't need any skills to get this unit together. I'm just doing a little flick of the wrist with my Babyliss curlers just to curl this unit on up because I want a little bit of a wave. I want to give Weather Girl realness if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm just going to go on through and continue to put these curls throughout the unit. Okay, as I think about what I'm going to wear to meet these people, I don't know. All right. So this unit is a little bit expensive. It's going for $260 for a 24-inch unit, but you do have options. You could do a 4x4 lace closure, glueless 4x4 closure, 13x4, or 5x5. So you can really customize this unit to make it what you want. Now, I did not experience much of any shedding or much of any tangling, just a little bit of tangling, but I'm going to attribute that to just me curling up the unit. This is a very big head friendly unit. However, the way that this cap is constructed is made for you to feel safe and secure, okay? She's giving bra, she's giving seatbelt, she's giving you are fine, don't you worry, we're gonna get you all the way together. And that's why I love this unit. So Sunber hair really did not come to play. I'm gonna shut my Mimi Tat mouth because I think I've given you all the deets you need. And I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
Sunber body wave pre-cut lace wig. She is wearing go, and we are wearing what we need to wear because we ready to go. So this unit is absolutely beautiful. Right now I have her in about 24 inches. She's going at 24 inches and 150% density for just about $259. And let me be all the way honest with you, this hair feels absolutely amazing. The texture of this hair is like a nice yucky silky. So what that means is it gives that natural luster, but she's thick, okay? She can hold a curl. You're not gonna get that greasy look in the front, and y'all know exactly what I'm talking about when I say that. So don't pretend like you don't know. But it's a look. Like it gives like this greasiness that it's not, I'm not really with. So this unit did not tangle, okay? She did not shed. She took a curl very nicely. Mother got a little bit of heat on her, all right? So she out here, she outside for real. Got a little heat on that ass, and she really came through. I'm actually really excited about this wear and go technology. It really is phenomenal because like we do not have time in 2023 this summer to be getting gluing down wigs. Like, what is that about? Like, we're not doing that this year. We're going to do a little bit, a little shink the dang. You know what I mean? We either going to get our little braids done or we're going to go hit the streets with one of these wigs. All right? Now, this unit comes in several different types of curl patterns. You just have to check out SUNBERHAIR so you can see what's for you. I think we're going into summertime, so the easier we can make life, the better. It is hot as hell. It's May. It's already hot. It's already hot. So we want to make sure that we really coming through with the come through, and SUNBERHAIR actually did it. So let me turn around for you guys so you can see how beautiful she is from the back. Let me make sure these are all on, so let me be careful with these curling knives. What do you guys think? My honey told me, oh, am I giving a little tangle in the back? With my brush. All right, I'm gonna try again, okay? There you go. Look how beautiful though. So in true us fashion, this unit, let's talk about how tight she is. Are we gonna get in a tussle? Maybe. She does feel really tight. Like, she feels really good. I feel like I'm not worried about her moving around or anything like that. And I don't even have the comb stuck into the side. It's a personal thing that I don't have them stuck in currently. But when you do, she feels super duper secure. Like, absolutely positively secure. You cannot get enough of her. I feel like this unit is really, she's doing all the work. That's the truth. I feel like she's doing all the work. I feel like we don't deserve her. I feel like she's love, sex, and magic. I feel like I'm so happy with how this came out. Let me know. We on a tour with these wear and go wigs. I have to go. I really want to tell y'all about my job, but I'm really trying to wait I just got 30 days at this new job, but I really want to give like an honest review of it if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So, bust down, do me a favor. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.